Hi guys, welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we are going to try drawing a dog. A cartoon dog is what we're going to draw. So here's how we do it. Now you may have heard before, even on other videos like this one, that drawing comes down to shapes. Now for a dog, there's very simple shapes involved. So here we go, look, if we do looking up the dog that was on the thumbnail for this video, we're going to draw a sort of semicircle going across here like this. And then a triangle on the ear, exactly like that. If you want to do an eye up here, that's great too. Then basically you can see that it's already looking like a dog with three shapes and a dot. And then you can bring the body down. The body's going to be basically an oval, like that. Once we've got these guidelines in place, we can start playing around with it. And there's another oval there for a paw, another oval there for a paw. And we'll just do a crescent, should we call it like that, for the tail. So there's obviously a side view. We can do a couple of different ones. Let's try this one. Okay, so we're going to just trace across that shape across there, and this one down like that. We're going to fill in that semicircle for the nose. Up here and down here, following just those lines for the triangle. You can join those up or not, doesn't actually matter. Fill in this eye. You can see he's already coming to life. You can put a little eyebrow in there if you want to. He's coming down there. I think we'll put a little smile on him as well. That's easy as that. Back comes down there. We follow the crescent up for his tail. These are his little paws. Pull that line down there so it looks like his arm out there. That's down there for his. Then again, we didn't outline his back legs here, but really that's going to be a circle going up like that and down. It's almost a full circle there, and one out to the front. Just fill that in like that there. So if you imagine this one on the other side as well, so that circle's coming down like that, and that one's coming out through little claws. Dead easy. All these are just simple shapes, and you've got a lovely dog there now. You can start adding little bits of detail. You can give him some spots, some little whisker lines there, little dots for his whiskers. So okay, that's the side-on dog sitting nicely. What if we wanted to do one that was a bit more face-on? Okay, so much like you would with a human face, you start off with maybe a circle or something resembling one, sort of a rounded square, potentially that is. Then you can do, again, if it's the same sort of dog, triangles on this side, triangles on that side. Then you've got the sort of muzzle that's coming out here, but you're going to see that facing forwards on this one. So that is going to go around there. Don't worry if yours looks a bit like a pig, like mine does. We'll come to pigs another day. But yeah, two circles for eyes. And then we'll follow the same sort of pattern, go another circle for the nose there. So all these very simple shapes at the moment, and then we'll just say there's another circle. So semicircle over there, because we're not going to do his whole body in this one, just to demonstrate. So let's start filling this guy in over the top like that, following the triangles on each side, just like that. Round we go like this one. Follow those lines. You can follow it all the way there and have a whole head there. Absolutely up to you whether you want to fill those lines in. I'm going to follow these little lines over the semicircles there. Here's his muzzle around like that, and then his nose in the middle there. You can even do another little circle there if you wanted to leave a little shine for his nose there. Then all you need to do is fill in these bits. Whisker holes, they've probably got a name, haven't they, whisker holes? I don't know what it is, leave a comment if you do. Eyes. How cool is that? That's just from simple shapes, and there's a couple of nice dogs there, full of character as well. Let's do one more over this side, a slightly different one as well. Let's think of another sort of dog we can do. Okay, so we'll do one with one of these very popular dogs these days. Is it a pug or a French bulldog? Again, you guys can tell me. I don't know. Little circles on those. Hopefully you can see those. Okay. We'll do the muzzle over here like that. And then actually we can fill up. There's going to be a little dog like this. You can fill out in the back there. Again, it's looking like a pig. It's not going to be a pig. Little tail like that. They have little tails, don't they? And then we can do little legs. Coming off like that. Eyes. Big googly eyes. the nose on there like that, and then we're just going to, again, have a look at those shapes, learn those shapes. They come in very, very handy with whatever you're drawing. And the more you draw, the better you'll get. But everybody is an artist, and everybody has the potential to do any sort of drawing they want to do. It's all just in practice. That's all it is. So yeah, sometimes I'm going to join the lines up, sometimes I'm not going to. It's completely up to you. You get a different look with these various things. You join some of these lines up or not, but experiment. Try. A few more in pencil before you go over it in pen if you like. Make sure you're happy with it. There we go. Easy as that. They really are quite simple dogs. How to draw a dog. But yeah, keep tuning in for more animals, objects. We're going to do all sorts of different cartoons that you can draw along with me. Leave some comments down below if you've enjoyed these, and certainly subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks very much. See you next time on the CaptainFishbeard.com.